Hi, welcome to one more Python programming. Today we are calculating average. If you go on supply marks or something else, we need to calculate average. In this example, I am going to take marks only. Let's say there is a list like marks. There is list like marks, and then marks are like 20, 34, 60, 80. Okay, and I need average. To find out average, we need a sum, right? So average is equal to, so there is a Python function sum. If you call sum, it marks and then divided by average. Means how many subjects are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. Means length of marks. That's it. This is the 2 lines of program to calculate average. If I execute this one, we will get an average here. But we did not print it, right? Let us print average here. Print average. Print average. So now if you execute, you will get average as 48.5. That's it. This is a very simple program to calculate average. But this is not our goal here. We need to replicate sum. We need to replicate length. Let us comment this one. So we'll take inputs marks is equal to, and it is going to input and then enter marks separated by space, separated by space. So it is computer is asking us enter marks separated by space, and then I'm converting as a list by using split function. So these are the marks. Now what I will do, for I in range, we'll create one range here. I'll start from 0 to length of marks. I will go up to marks. And why there is no? It's a list, right? Marks is a list. So we are converting. From range, why it is throwing an error here? Let me print first. Print and marks. Yeah, it should be very clear, right? Yeah, that is the error. Yeah. So I am ranging loop, and as this is a list, let me print first this. Pass here, I will pass, and then let me show you output first. So if I pass marks like this, 20 space 40 space 70, 3 subject, let's say. So we'll get a list like this. So that is the result. So as this is a list, and observe the data here, it is in string format. It is a quotes. So that's why I'm looping here for I in range 0 to length of marks. I want to convert that string into integer type. So what is that one? Marks of I equals to, I want to convert it into integer type, and then integer marks, what I want to convert? Marks of I only. That's it. Now let's see. Let me execute this. Let me enter marks. I will enter only 30 space 45 space 55. So once it is done, Let me print marks again. Print marks again. 33 space 55 space 44. Now see, observe here output. So now we have successfully converted string data into integer type, as it is in a quotes. 33 is in a inverted commas quotes. It is not in that form, so that's why it is integer we have converted. Now we need to replicate sum. Is it or not? Let's say initially sum is equal to 0. So initially sum is equal to 0 actually. Now what I want to do, for I in marks, for I in marks, or I'll say it is J. Already I used I there, I'm using J here. Marks, what I have to do, sum plus equals to J. Is it or not? You need to do like this. And then you need to print sum. Let me print sum also. Print sum. Now execute this one. So it is going to ask enter marks separated by space. I'm entering 20 space 30 space 40. So what is the sum? 20 plus 30 plus 40? It is 90. So let us see whether we will get sum 90 as or not. Is 90 or not? So we got 90. So we have replicated sum function. Now in a similar way, replicate length function. So total subjects. Let's say subjects. Subjects, initially 0 subjects are there, and then now I will look for k in marks. For k in marks, what I want to do, k plus, it is not k plus, subject plus equals to 1. We are going to increment every time. Now I will print subjects. Print subject. Let us use subjects. Now let me execute now again. It should be subjects, yeah. So I will enter this time 30 space 40 space 50. So what is the sum? 30 plus 40 is 90 and 120. Sum should be 120. How many subjects are there? 3. 30, 40, 50. 3 are there. Yeah, we got output 120 sum, it is good, and 3 also. So we have successfully replicated length and sum. See here, to calculate our average, we have written only 2 lines of code. Why means we have already written sum function already. Python is written already. Length already is written. We are not using length and sum. Without using sum and length, we are calculating average here. So let us calculate average now. Average is equal to, now what is the maths equation? Sum divided by subjects. Is it or not? Subjects. That's it. Let us print average now. Print average. Now execute. (22) space 33 space 44 space 50 space 66 space 77 space 88 space 99 space 100. So these are the marks. This is a sum. 584 is the sum. How many subjects are there? 9 subjects are there. What is the average? This is the average. That's it. It's perfect. Without using sum function and length function, we have replicated sum and length in this program. That's it for today. We meet with another program. Signing off.